Hello students, this is Parveen Solanki from Shri PL Shroff College. Students, in our earlier lectures of leadership management, we have covered meaning of leadership management. We had also covered features of leadership management. Next to that, we had seen key skills required for a good leader. After that, we have also seen the role of communication in leadership. And then we had seen different leadership styles. Now, in today's session, we are going to understand the role of women as a leaders. Friends, women play a crucial role in leadership across various fields, including business, politics, education, healthcare, and social activism. Their leadership brings unique perspectives, strengths, and approaches that contribute to organizational success and societal progress. किसी भी सोसाइटी का अगर प्रोग्रेस होना है तो उसमें जो वुमेन है उसका जो रोल है वो बहुत ही प्रोमिनेंट और सिग्निफिकेंट होता है. Role of women as a transformational leadership. Women leaders are often associated with transformational leadership, which focuses on inspiring and motivating teams, fostering innovation, and prioritizing employee development. Their ability to build strong relationship and encourage collaboration makes them highly effective in leadership role. वुमेन की जो लीडरशिप है वो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल लीडरशिप में बहुत ही सिग्निफिकेंटली पहचानी जाती है. इसका एक बेस्ट एग्जांपल हम जेसिंडा अर्डेना, former Prime Minister of New Zealand, who led with empathy and decisiveness, particularly during the crisis like the COVID-19 pandemic. जेसिंडा अर्डन ने जिस तरह से कोविड-19 में अपना जो पूरा इकोनॉमी है उसको जैसे उसने होल्ड किया था, जैसे चलाया था, वो एक बेस्ट एग्जांपल है ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल लीडरशिप का. नेक्स्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल ऑफ वुमेन एज अ लीडर that we can see her role in emotional intelligence and empathy. Women leaders tend to exhibit high emotional intelligence, allowing them to understand and manage emotions effectively. This skill helps in conflict resolution, team motivation, and creating a supportive work environment. फ्रेंड्स, इंदिरा नूई एक बेस्ट एग्जांपल है जो फॉर्मर सीईओ ऑफ पेप्सिको है. उन्होंने जिस तरह से एम्प्लॉयज़ का और कस्टमर्स का केयर लिया अपने बिज़नेस को ग्रोथ करते समय, ये एक बेस्ट एग्जांपल है जिसमें उन्होंने अपना इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस और एम्पैथी को प्रोमिनेंटली उन्हें शो करने का मौका मिला. नेक्स्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल ऑफ अ वुमन एज बीइंग इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन एंड कोलैबोरेशन. Women leaders often excel in communication, actively listening to diverse perspectives and fostering teamwork. Their ability to create inclusive environments enhances problem solving and decision making. वुमेन लीडर्स जो होती हैं उनका जो कम्युनिकेशन स्टाइल है वो एक्टिव लिसनर्स होती हैं और सबको सुनती हैं, और इसकी वजह से टीम बिल्डिंग का जो काम है वो बहुत ही इफ़िशेंटली कर सकती है और प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना, डिसीजन मेकिंग करना ही बहुत ही अच्छे से हो सकता है. Oprah Winfrey, a media leader, built her empire through strong communication, storytelling, and the ability to connect with audiences. Next important role of women being a leader is promoting diversity and inclusion. Women in leadership play a key role in advocating for diversity, equity, and inclusion in workplaces and society. Friends, they help break gender stereotypes and open doors for future generations. The best example can be seen Kamala Harris as the first female vice president of the United States represents progress in gender and racial diversity in leadership. So, friends, in our next slide, we can see resilience and crisis management. Women leaders have demonstrated resilience and adaptability in managing crisis, whether in politics, business, or social movements. Their ability to remain calm under pressure and make strategic decisions is invaluable. For example, Angela Merkel, former Chancellor of Germany, provided stable leadership during economic and refugee crisis. So, women are having high resilience and she can best manage the crisis. Ethical and value based leadership. Women often lead with integrity and strong sense of ethics, prioritizing long-term impact over short-term gains. Their focus on corporate social responsibility and ethical decision making benefits the organization and community. The best example can be Mary Barra, CEO of General Motors, who has emphasized ethical leadership and sustainability in automotive industry. Friends, in this way we can conclude that women bring invaluable leadership qualities including empathy, collaboration, resilience and ethical decision making. As more women take leadership roles, organizations and societies benefit from diverse perspectives and inclusive growth. Encouraging and supporting women in leadership is essential for building a more balanced and progressive world. We can see that there are n number of roles that a woman plays for as a leader, and in spite of having great leadership qualities, women face many challenges in the society. So it is our responsibility to support women leadership and to break down the barriers for the women's and let them to spark like anything, and to support them for being the best leaders in the society. I hope today's session is clear to you. Thank you.